Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can get started on Midjourney and guide you into creating your first AI art. So let's get started. So first, here we are in midjourney.com, and this is the official website of Midjourney if you want to use Midjourney in creating your AI art. So here, what we can do right here, if you want to know more about the Midjourney, you can get started right here if you want to, and you can see the samples right here of what Midjourney can do right here. As you can see, they are all amazing. And here you can join the Discord server right here, but first, of course, you need to download Discord. You need to download and install it in your PC, and you have to have an account. And after you have set up your Discord, it's really quick and simple. Then you can now join here. Click on join the beta right here, and you can continue the Discord there. And once you have continued and you have joined the Discord server right here, you have created your account, then you're gonna pop right here in the Discord server. This is the Discord server of Midjourney. So here, as you can see, there are updates here in recent changes, announcement status right here, or if you want to create an art, then you could go here into the newbies room. Any of this will do, and you just need to go type /imagine, and then there is a prompt. You could just type the description of the image that you want to produce right here, and don't forget the aspect ratio, which is AAR. Let me show you. Let's just prompt a little bit description right here. Let's say the dragon, black flame, and then let's go type in the aspect ratio that we want. Let's say /AR or aspect ratio, and we want it 2:3, or it's wrong, 2:3, and we want to also type --V4. Then what this does is it simply means version, and it provides you for version of the picture that Midjourney will produce, just like this one. It has 4 versions because so that they could choose the version 1, version 2, version 3, or version 4. Or if they want to use this one immediately, they could use the U1 or upscale 1, upscale 2, upscale 3, and so on. And once you have clicked that, Midjourney would produce the photo in an upscaled manner so that you can download it and use it immediately. So don't forget these important commands, and also your resolution. Let's say add 4K right there so that it will produce it in 4K, or if you want 1080p, then you can also do that. So another tip that I can give you is go here on Midjourney bot. Make sure it's in show member list so that you can see this, and you want to add to server if you want a more private when you create your own art right here in, let's say here in my Discord server that I made for this tutorial. Here we are. As you can see, we have Midjourney bot right here because I added Midjourney bot from here, add the server, and you need to select your server right here where you want Midjourney to be added. And as you can see, I already have this here. Or you could also, if you don't want it to add to a Discord server, you could just simply send a message right here, and it would appear in your DM, and you could interact with Midjourney in your DMs right here. But let's just use this one for an example here in our Discord server. Let's go type some prompts here: dragon, black flame, 4K, / aspect ratio is 2:3, and then 4 versions. And after you have typed all of this, and just heads up, you don't want to be this short. You want to be as precise, as accurate, and as specific as possible. But this is just for example, so I am using this so that we could get there much faster. So let's go type enter right here. And as you can see, subscription is required, and I can even use my free credits right now so that I can create arts for free using Midjourney, because as you can see, it says due to extreme demand we can provide a free trial right now. So you need to subscribe, and the way to subscribe this is go here and clicking this open subscription page, or you could just type /subscribe right here. And once you have done that, you will also see this, and you wanna click on this link right here, and you wanna go yes. And here we are in midjourney.com again, and this is the time where you want to go here and sign in. If you want to go by a description, you want to sign in right here. It's really quick and simple. If you want to sign in or want to sign up, you just have to have your own Discord, and that's all. And as you can see here, these are the plans for a subscription right here. It's really cheap. It's just $8 per month for the basic plan, and you already have a sufficient amount of generations that you can use. But if you want more generations, then you could go to Pro plan, which has 38 fast generations, unlimited relax generations, and so much more. So here, as you can see here in fast hours right here, we have two modes for image generations, fast and relax. Fast tries to give you a GPU instantly. It's our highest priority processing tier, and you could read all of that so you could know more about what these perks mean. As you can see here, it says fast generations right here, so you could know what it is all about right here. I'm not going to show you that because it would drag this video any longer. And that is basically it for getting started in Midjourney and how you can create your first AI digital art. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.